today, I'll be showing you how to set up your Windows Server 2019. So we'll be clicking New. So the box here is where we'll be creating our virtual machine. So name, this is where you'll be creating a name for your virtual machine. So you can name it whatever you like, right? So I'll be naming lines Windows Server 2019. So once you have named your virtual machine, you can now proceed to the folder. So this is where you'll be storing your virtual machine. So I'll be storing mine in a class folder. So now that I have found a location to store my virtual machine, I can now upload my ISO image. So once this is done, you have successfully completed the first part of setting up your virtual machine. So next, we'll be modifying the virtual machine's hardware. So this is where we can determine the amount of RAM and virtual CPU counts to be used. So for today, I'll be using 1024 megabytes base memory and the default 1 CPU. So once it's done, next. So our virtual disk. Since we do not have an existing virtual disk, we'll be creating one. So for today, I'll be using 20 gigabytes, but remember, you can use as much as you want. So now that we have stated the amount of virtual hard disk we'll be using, we'll click next, and now we'll be shown the summary page, which indicates that you have successfully set up your virtual machine. So we have now successfully installed our Windows Server 2019. So now we will be running it. So just for a heads up, this will be a very lengthy process. So have some patience and it'll be done before you know it. So this is our Windows Server setup page, right? So we'll be able to use our language of our choice, time currency formats, and keyword or input method. But for this, we will be keeping everything to its default state. So we'll be clicking next, and now we'll be installing. So here we'll be choosing our operating system to be installed, right? So we'll be installing the Windows Server 2019 desktop version. So now we accept the terms and license. So now we'll be selecting the type of installation we want, and we'll be selecting the custom install window. And just when we were setting up our virtual machine, we agreed to 20 gigabytes of our virtual hard disk. So 20 gigabytes, we click next, and our setup is in process.
One million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Right, now that the installation is done, our Windows will now restart. So now that our setting up is done, we will create a password for our system. So we'll be using PASSW0RD and the retail. So we're going to do it again. So as you can see, this is our password. Now we insert the password we just created, and you will now have access to your Okay, everyone, it is now safe to say we have successfully set up our Windows Server 2019. So we like to thank you for watching and hope to see you again.